media made me, Bibi. The world media giving me really a priceless support that goes to all the Indian medias. Absolutely, they are supporting my work, which
Very
I
nice.
am so overwhelmed and much touched because I don't have money to pay publicity. But you will see many people from Europe making film. They're already selling this, my story. Because when Asian does very well, because my first name, everyone knew me, I'm, I'm starting again from zero. I have never worked so much in my life. I work from morning till night, but nothing is more than my dream. My mental satisfaction, maybe I don't make so much money, but my mental satisfaction is here. So many, when I go to Rajasthan or other part of India, I never feel I'm not there. They make me feel I'm loved by these craftspeople, which is priceless.
You never partnered with any Indian businesswomen?
No. But wherever I went to India, I'm officially invited by the government to
I see.
uplift the craftspeople. Yes, not partner.
I see. Okay. So the last trip to India was when?
My last trip to India was 2019, end of
Okay.
2019. Yeah, I
All right.
worked, yeah,
Just before pandemic.
just before pandemic. No,
Mm-hmm.
in January 2. January 2, I went to Hyderabad,
Okay.
Telangana.
Uh-huh. So, did you have any capital when you started your business? Did you have any capital when you start?
Uh, I want to tell you that, of course, I did a job which was well paid, but I have
Modeling.
two sons, and they were
Okay.
going to school and thing. But when I came back, uh, usually when people are successful, can come back, they have house, they have car and everything. I put everything to my work because everything I do research. I have never, we never had a touch wood, fingers crossed, a reject from anywhere in the world. I make
Mm-hmm.
sure, I know what people think that Bangladesh, the color will run, it will shrink. So all these things which I have learned many
Mm.
years being in Europe, working with top people. I work with every top designers. So I put that into my work.
Mm-hmm.
It's my own. I don't,
Mm-hmm.
I want to tell you because I know everyone is listening. My office where I am is given by my father, the
Mm-hmm.
space. I don't have parents or anyone in Bangladesh. My parents passed away, my children are away, my sisters are away, and I don't own a house, anything. But I'm loved by 50% of the nation. I'm a simple girl. I'm not a MP, MLA, or nothing. But more than that,
Okay.
you
Uh-huh.
want what you want. And doing a job, other job, I know how to travel in a jet, how to travel because I did that. And I'm doing something which is my dream, which is, people ask me, do you go to gym? Do you do this? No, I'm so happy. And yes, it's very hard. I have never worked like even when I'm 16 years old like this, you know,
Mm-hmm. I
so
see.
many
Okay.
people's blessings I have.
Mm-hmm. I remember uh, uh, from Chittagong, there was an engineer girl. Her name is Munawara. Is it that?
I don't know. I don't know. You
She's
know
from
why
Chittagong.
I don't know? When I see, maybe I know her. One
Uh,
thing even that I know being in India and when I see a weaver or a craftspeople, if I say, Sitaramji, namaste, how are you? He's so happy that I remember his name. Same in Bangladesh. I remember all the craftspeople's name, and I say that, okay, someone asked me, do you know that? I said, if I see that lady, maybe a man I will know, but I forgot the name.
Mhm.
I'm sure.
Yeah, that's very
There
nice.
are many people.
Of course, because I have been to Bangladesh myself 3, 4 times, and I have lot many friends, and I stay with my friends
Which part
only.
of Bangladesh?
Yeah, in fact, the sari which I'm
Have you
wearing
been
today
recently?
has been given by a friend
Yes.
of mine.
It's from Bangladesh.
It's from
Beautiful
Bangladesh.
color.
Yeah,
Okay,
very nice. And it's a beautiful embroidered sari.
Beautiful.
If you can see this, it's a embroidery at the border. It's a very nice sari, beautiful color combination, you know. And I have a friend. Uh, uh, she has been into politics also. Uh,
What's her name?
she's a very she's into potato, and she's also into media. Um, Very well-known personality. I don't know. Her name is not coming to my mind. Uh, Rahman.
She lives in Dhaka. There are
She
many
lives in
women.
Dhaka.
Huh?
She lives in Dhaka.
Many people, women are doing wonderful work in
Ha
Bangladesh.
ha ha ha.
Yeah, same as in India.
Hmm. Her last name is Rahman, and I'm forgetting her first name. Uh, just forgetting her name. Of course, lot many people like Nasreen, Polly, Manawara, and of course there is once Salima. There are lot many women who are doing pretty well in Bangladesh. Rokia
Yeah,
Rahman,
yeah. Very well, very well.
Rokia Afzal Rahman.
Yes,
Now I
I know.
remember him. Yeah, yeah,
She was the caretaker government. She was the minister. Yes, I know
yeah.
Rokeapa
She was the
very well.
minister. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
she's a
I
wonderful
generally
lady.
go and stay with her, or I
Yes,
stay with
yes, of course
Salima.
I know her very well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, my another question with
Yes,
you
I
is:
know.
do you think that being an entrepreneur is harmonious with having a family life, or does that give you a pause?
Uh, I don't think I did when I was working as a model. I started modeling after my son was born. So I
Mm-hmm.
made them. It's just that you plan your life. I know, having children, having family is part of the life. No, you have to make them understand. It's depend how you make them understand. It's not that you have to stay 24 hours with your son.
And how old was he?
If you stay 2 hours quality time, that is
Mm.
very important. No, I didn't have problem. I made them. I made my parents understand what I want to do, and I made my children also, two sons. And no, and of course there is always someone, family members, maybe relatives don't like what you did, what you do, but there is always one side, another side. I did I did very rare coming from a family like me. Everyone is very well educated, learning, going to fashion school, then did modeling, but I haven't done anything which will my parents felt bad because or their friends. I know many people, all the artists, everyone. You can ask Rokeapa, she will say, it's a job, you do it. That's it. And no,
And what's about your
no, I
husband?
didn't have
Did he
problem.
accept you as a smart working woman?
Uh, uh, I want to tell you, I was married to an English guy. My Russell name is from my husband's name, and Bob was the only child. Bob is the only child from a solicitor's lawyer's family. I have learned many things from Bob. I have two wonderful children, but I knew I would go, my dream was growing with me. I knew that I will come back. I didn't wanted Bob to have not job, anything, and be in Bangladesh, Mr. Bibi, because I respect. So I'm divorced, but you can ask me, I answered to you before you ask me why I put Russell. When my two kids always say, we'll have the same name, Ma, we'll have the
Mhm.
same name. And I said, of course. And again, I grew up in Europe. If I have to change name, I have to go through so many things, so many things. I don't have time. Of course, I married one time. I know how is Bob. Bob will never say that why you are using. My divorce lawyer was my father-in-law. So can you imagine? But I wanted to do this work, you know, just to do everything. Anyone who knows me, even my two sons, say, Ma, you brought us up. We want you to do your dream. Please, you have to make them understand.
So, at
No,
what
but
age you
there are
came
many.
back to Bangladesh, leaving your husband behind? What age?
Oh, I, 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 when I knew I was going to, mentally knew I was going to come back, and I was based in London. I've moved to Italy, based in Italy. So Bob doesn't see me get upset or anything. So before I came to Bangladesh, I came to Bangladesh from Milano, from Italy. So
Mm-hmm.
I was, I don't even calculate my age, what age I came. I came in 1994. I was born in
Okay.
1950. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Age
So,
is
pretty
not
early.
important. Age is not important. I told you, I work, I get up 6:30, I go to bed 2 o'clock. When I'm absolutely dead, I
Mm.
don't sleep, like people has a habit to have a nap. I never had it. Still now, I don't have. But I must be enjoying my work so much
Very
that
right.
I could do that. So, I really, if you come to Bangladesh and see, I mean, God, these people's love and affection. I told you, you can move around in the villages in Barmer, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, all these places. You will see the weavers, how much love they have given to me. I haven't
Yes.
done I haven't done anything for them. At least in my, you know, I want to go before I die, I want to go the second step on the ladder. They make me have this energy, have this, oh, so much love and respect.
I think you are deeply involved in your passion, and your passion is
Yeah.
that is why every meeting, I think every interaction with them makes you feel happy, and
Of
probably
course.
this is the reason of your happiness and joy in life. And
Yes.
I'm
I
sure.
want to tell you, I want to tell you one thing, that if you see my education, I did graduation in fashion designing. Today the world introduced me one of the top of handmade things, which I have learned from the people, village people. They taught me to have things, and not only in India, Bangladesh. My most of my recognition is my work for West Africa, as a
Hmm.
UNESCO special envoy, artist for peace. I worked in Africa, which was so difficult, Mali, Senegal, um, and all these places, because I can understand French, but they speak French in an African accent. So UNESCO send me
Ah.
interpreter. But the work, the
Hmm.
thing, I mean, it's not I'm giving. I have learned so much from them. I have learned to be happy with little thing, which I have learned. Look at
Hmm.
going to India, Rajasthan. Before that, I was non-veg. And everywhere you go, they give you a little bit of dahi in a hot weather, a little bit of vegetarian. I
Yeah.
become vegetarian. Eating so
Hmm.
many beautiful vegetarian thing, I think that, okay, I don't have to spend money for meat and fish. I can use that for my research. But you learn many things to be contained. They
Very
have
nice.
two eyes like two star. Their smile is not like false smile, with a whole, giving to you everything.
Lovely. Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can that you are so close to all your viewers, to all your people who are working and associated with you. It's very nice to see a woman,
Absolutely.
who's really sort of becomes a part of them, and they feel that okay,
Absolutely.
their mentor has
Absolutely.
come, one
You
of their
need
family
you need
member
two
has come.
hands to clap. You cannot clap in two hands. I have mine and there. The day they
Yes,
have a trust on me, I know they have confidence on me, and they know I respect their human dignity. From that day I don't have to look back. You have to respect human dignity.
yes, very
Look,
true, absolutely.
during this, look at this pandemic time,
Hmm.
what we are living in 21st century. We become so
Very true.
inhuman. We didn't care about environment. We didn't care about anything. And they are showing the world, whoever, it's not that developing country, underdeveloping, it's not really. Everyone has gone through this
Everyone
pandemic.
has
This
got
is
it.
a
Very true.
learning lesson to all of us.
For the universe. It's a learning lesson for the universe. Now, thank you very much
Absolutely.
for coming to this show. The last thing which I would like to ask you,
Thank you.
that what would you like to say to the generation who is now women who are into entrepreneurship, and what they should do and what they should not do? What is your suggestion to them?
I think now, uh, like everyone is talking about woman empowerment, when you think, look at me, I'm a woman, okay? I think if you are focused, if you know what you want to do, you have to know how much resources you have, okay? I live in Bangladesh. Look, our first four top people are women. Our prime minister, our speaker, our first opposition, second opposition. Women are doing so many things. Look at you. I mean, but you have to respect. You have to know where you come from. You have to touch the ground. आप मट्टी नहीं टच करता, आप कैसा कल के फील होगा आपका? हाँ?
Very true.
Ground you have to
Bilkul.
touch. Very true. And focus and respect. I don't know any magic which one day I become like this. I tell all the time, my training in Europe was, there doesn't care whose daughter you are. When I went to very big college, I didn't have first 8 months scholarship or anything. I used to be a post woman. When you are a student, do odd job, you don't have to pay tax. When I came back, even in Rajasthan, I told, village people, there is no post woman. I said, I was a post woman, but I did that. Nothing you have to feel bad. And one thing, respect, your culture, your heritage, respect people. When you learn, if I'm learning from you, Dr. Agarwal, if I'm telling you, you are looking beautiful with blue and turquoise, with all these things. I'm not stupid enough making exactly that thing and copy. With copy, you cannot make anything coming out sustain and sustain. Basic education. I don't want everyone to be Pandit or a doctor, just the basic. Please, women are everywhere, but you don't have to feel bad. I don't like, if I go somewhere, people put me red carpet, I'm a woman. I can compete with a man. And then
See.
I get my empowerment. You
Ah,
have to, if I'm doing same job with a man, why I'm not getting same money?
right. Very nice. Very nice. It's a great pleasure talking to you. I don't feel like leaving, but there has to be a time limit because
But
otherwise
when you come,
people will get tired watching us.
no, I'm sure looking so beautiful. But when you come next time, please come and see. I can take you around. You already know very important people, but I would like to
Yeah,
show
yeah,
you this touch of villages out of
yeah,
Dhaka, which is
sure, sure. I
absolutely
think
super.
I also read before I leave. I just came to my mind. You also talked about rickshaw. What was that?
Rickshaw. Rickshaw, I'm sure you don't come to the area. You live in Gulshan, Banani, where there is not so much rickshaw art. Rickshaw, back of rickshaw, there is art. My glasses and everything. That is also one
Uh-huh.
of my bestseller. So I was
Uh-huh.
fascinated by this art.
No, no,
So they are
rickshaw.
like a
Rickshaw is that cycle rickshaw? The cycle rickshaw? Okay, okay.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I have done that is another my second bestsellers are rickshaw art. People want glasses, people want bangles. My bindi is also rickshaw art. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah, I can
So
see that.
yeah, they
No,
are so
but then
inspired.
rickshaw you have taken as a brand name or you are selling something of rickshaw? I didn't
No,
understand.
I have my name is I made a copyright and everything in Europe, but I say this product, rickshaw art by Bibi Russell, done by the rickshaw artist. Of course,
Okay, 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 okay. I
Gamcha
see.
is
Now I
not, I
understand.
don't have the copyright of Gamcha. Gamcha by Bibi Russell.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice.
I
Now I
give
understand because I was
the
wondering.
give the
Mm,
due like Jamdani. Jamdani is our heritage. Jamdani, designed by
mm,
Bibi Russell, but I give them their due respect and everything. Please,
mm,
I came back for that so people know. When I work in
mm,
Barmer, I say. When I work in Kota, I say, where is Kota from? You have
mm,
to tell people, to young
mm.
generation, to know about all these things.
Yeah. Frankly, the heritage of India and Bangladesh is same because we originate from the same place. That's a
Uh,
separate thing that we have now divided, but really doesn't matter because the roots are still,
yeah,
with us, and we feel
treasure
that
India.
belongingness. Yeah,
Yes,
we feel
yes,
that
absolutely.
belongingness. We feel that unity in mind and in our environment. So nice of you, and
My
I've really
pleasure,
enjoyed
Rana.
talking to you.
It's my pleasure,
And
Rana.
do you have a Facebook?
Yes, I have Facebook, Bibi
Okay,
Ras.
so I will request Manas to tag this video to
Please,
your Facebook, and then you can forward it to whomsoever you
yes,
like.
absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely.
thank you very
Thank
much.
you, thank you.
Thanks. It's a great pleasure to have talked to
Assalamualaikum.
you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Thanks.